Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete watermark in CapCut. So in here, what you need to do is open your CapCut and then start a project. And if you are edit your videos in CapCut, at the end of your videos, there will be this CapCut ending or CapCut watermark shown like this. So if you want to get rid of it, you can just select the ending in here, the watermark, and tap on delete. But it will only delete it temporarily. So when you start a new project again, it will show up again and you need to delete it again. And if you want to remove it permanently, you can just close this project first, go to the me here at the bottom, click on the gear icon to go to the settings, and under the preferences in here you can see add a default ending. You can just turn it off. So when you turn it off, there will be no CapCut watermark again on your projects. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.